Hey guys, it's Cavis from Recoil again. We're gonna learn how to properly use one of these, or how to fix a pull rope on a mower. I did one of these, like, I think it was the first video on my channel. This is the mower we were just doing the Will It Run on, and you're seeing this in between clips, but you're seeing this after the series. So yeah, I thought I would throw a video out, because why not? Okay. Is that it? No, there's one more. Okay. That's it. This is our Recoil. We'll come over to the bench. We'll get this guy fixed up. And we will be good to go. This is going to be a shorter video, but it is what it is. Hopefully you guys have been liking this daily uploading thing. So you gotta locate your broken strand here. There it is. Okay. Gonna grab my side cutters quick. Snip off the broken part. I don't think I got a lighter in here. No. And then we'll learn how to use one of these. Get this old rope out. Come on. You hunk of junk. It would help if, you know, this end would have not have broken, but it just makes for content. There it is. Got it. Okay, that's still good. That's all I wanted. I think I'm going to cut it here because I can see a small little tear in it. Normally, what you do is you take a vice grip, pinch off your piece so that it does not retract back in, and then you can just thread your end through. This can take a while, so bear with me. We almost got it now. Here we go. Take a knot at the end. Now, if I had a lighter, which I don't think I do, I could replace this knot, but this knot sinks down in. Your pliers come off, and here you go. Now when it comes time to put it back up in this hook guy here, you can just undo this guy and thread it through there. I'm going to get it back on the machine, get it threaded back on, and then alright. What the heck? Ouch. Alrighty. We will get our girl drilled back, or screwed back on. And then okay. And this wing nut. Which you guys missed that whole thing. It's okay. Okay. I will end it here and say thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. And if you want to see this series, I'll have linked them already in this video. This is just the part 1 series. There's no part 2 on it, but I did that green motor. There's should be all 3 parts in the movie up. Anyway, thank you all for watching.